UMashatile ebezokuphendula imibuzo kule ndlu yebhunga lamaphondo ngamaphondo okokuqala watyunjwa ukuba abe ngusekela mongameli.
The results of this process that we have undertaken will form part of the dialogue on coalitions to determine the appropriate mechanism to guide on how coalitions function collectively.
Kukho ukubethabethana kwimbono phakathi kwamaqela opolitiko.
As part of our regulatory framework on coalitions, will government consider a participatory process of taking into account the views of communities in line with the injunctions of the Freedom Charter?
The reality of coalition politics in South Africa is reflected in the farcical situation in Johannesburg, where a 0.6% party is holding the mayoral chain.
UMashatile uthi urhulumente uyayiqwalasela nengxaki yomasipala abatyala imali uEskom kwaye nebhodi ezilawula amanzi.
Government has introduced a debt relief package for Eskom intended to improve the utilities balance sheet, whilst proposing that Eskom writes off some of the debts or some of the municipal debts under strict conditions with guidance from National Treasury.